Well, we had 90-degree temperatures yesterday, did not quite get there today, and really those 90-degree readings have been few and far between in southern New England this year. Let's compare this year to last year. It is not even close. 2013, we had 16 days of temperatures in the 90s. This year, we've only had 4, with yesterday being one of those days. The question is, can we add one to 2014 tomorrow? I'll give you a hint. We will get close, and I'll put up my high temperature forecast coming up in just a few minutes. Threat tracker, no severe weather expected over the next 24 hours. We do have an air quality alert here for tomorrow for Rhode Island. Does not include the south coast, but even at the south coast, things a little bit hazy as we bring in some of this heat and humidity. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not showing any precipitation right now. And we show you the city cam. Right now, it's a clear view. I would not be surprised if some patchy dense fog builds in tonight through very early tomorrow morning. Temperature right now is 67. Winds are out of the southwest at 6 miles an hour. Dew points will be increasing that chance of fog, and definitely more humid on the way for tomorrow. 66 your actual temperature right now in Smithfield, 64 in New Bedford, 68 Newport, and 67 in Westerly. So we have a cold front trying to move in from the west, and the cold front will actually pull in some warmer winds as we head into tomorrow. So the first effect will be to warm things up tomorrow. The second effect will be to bring in a chance of showers tomorrow evening. I do anticipate that the daylight hours of tomorrow should be rain-free, so you don't have to cancel plans or anything like that. In fact, as we go into 6 p.m., we keep things dry across our viewing area. Notice that there could be a few strong storms here in central Massachusetts, but watch what happens. They kind of fizzle out as we go into 8 and 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. We just don't have the ingredients to give us a lot of rain tomorrow, so a lot of us may actually miss out on these showers altogether. And then notice how they push to the east, and by overnight into Thursday morning, the showers are gone, and we bring in some less humid air, making for a very comfortable Thursday. Tomorrow afternoon, 84 at 1 o'clock, 3 p.m. we're at 88 degrees. Now, keep in mind I'm forecasting 88, but we could easily spike up a degree or two from that, hitting the 90s. The coast will be a little cooler, winds coming in from the southwest. Newport at 80 degrees, Charlestown 81, and Westerly at 80 degrees. Look what happens, though, as we go just a few miles inland. Hope Valley, you get up to 87 degrees. Places like Johnston, I'm forecasting 89 degrees, 87 Cumberland, and 85 in Woonsocket. And kind of like today, we'll get some breezy conditions by the afternoon, perhaps around 15 or even 20 miles an hour. Eastern Massachusetts temperatures also in the mid to upper 80s, 87 here in Plymouth, New Bedford at 86. Cooler from Middletown down to Little Compton with a temperature of 80. Here's the latest on Cristobal. In fact, Cristobal has increased in strength just a little bit. Right now, winds 81 miles an hour. But we are still expecting the storm to push well off to the east. Now, we will get some rip currents starting late tomorrow, but especially Thursday, Friday into holiday weekend. So if you're heading down to the beach for the holiday, definitely listen to those lifeguards. And even tomorrow, there may be some rips developing kind of late in the afternoon. So I'm going to give you a moderate risk of rip currents for late tomorrow at the beach. 7-day Futurecast, again, dry during the daytime, but during the nighttime, chance of some showers moves through. And then on Thursday and Friday, pleasant, cooler temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. Right now, it looks like Saturday is okay. Sunday, maybe an isolated shower. It's Monday where the best chance of rain will be. But hopefully, we can actually delay some of that rain on Monday and leave most of your holiday weekend rain-free. I'll try to work very hard on that.
And it's still early, so we'll keep our fingers crossed.
Very good point, Shannon.
All
yes.
right. Pete, thanks. Much more to come on Eyewitness News at 10. Shocking new video of a boat accident.